Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime with Jess. Today we are going to read Oliver's Airplane, written by Émilie Beaumont. Oliver's favorite thing to do is fly his airplane. He can't wait to take off into the clear blue sky. That's where he is happiest. Oliver's airplane dashes along the runway. It goes faster and faster until it begins to lift off. There he goes. He's flying. Oliver is in the air. Oliver flies up and down. He flies upside down. Whoa! Soon he will turn so that he's right side up again. Another loop, another turn. Oliver is having so much fun. But now it's time to head home. He radios the control tower to clear the runway for landing. Oliver flies slower and slower. He lands his airplane very gently on the runway. But he'll be back soon. He loves doing loops in the sky. The end. Thanks for joining me today for Storytime. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye.